Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Winda Nur Wulandari. In this presentation, we will discuss about simple present tense, recount text, simple future tense, and if conditional. First, I will tell you about simple present tense. Simple present tense. The simple present is a verb tense with two main use. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it's happened regularly. To make positive simple present tense using the formula subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object or subject plus to be is, are plus adjective or adverb. To make negative simple present tense using the formula subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object or subject plus to be is, are plus not plus adjective or adverb. To make question simple present tense using the formula do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object or to be is, are plus subject plus adjective or adverb. And now I will tell you about daily activity using simple present tense. My name is Winda Nur Wulandari. I am from Vocational High School 1 Cimahi. Here is my daily routine. I always wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I usually have breakfast at 5:30. After that, I usually start studying at 7 o'clock. At noon, I always have lunch with my friend after the lunch break. I join the class again. I finish study at 4:15 o'clock in the afternoon. I usually have dinner with my family at 7 o'clock. I rarely go to bed before 10 o'clock. Second, I will explain to you about recount text. Recount text. Recount text is a text that telling the reader about one story, action, or activity. Its purpose is to entertain or informing the reader, or a text which retells event or experience in the past. General structure of recount text. First, orientation. Orientation, it gives the readers the background information needed to understand the text, such as who has involved, where it happened, and when it happened. Second, events. Event is a series of events ordered in a chronological sequence. And last, reorientation. Reorientation, a personal comment about the event or what happened in the end. And now I will share about experience using recount text. I spent my school holiday at home last year. I didn't go anywhere. I spent my time in front of television or read books. My mother said that I was better to read books than watch television. I usually wake up without alarm and took a bath when my mother asked me. After that, I played with my cat, watched television or read a book. I also helped my mother, such as wash the dishes, sweep the floor, or wash the clothes. I look so bored, but I enjoy my time very much. It was the best time of mine because I hadn't to do my homework or study. Third, I will explain to you about simple future tense. Simple future tense. The simple future is a verb tense that used to talk about things that haven't and happened yet. To make positive simple future tense using the formula subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object or subject plus be plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. To make negative simple future tense using the formula subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb 1 plus object or subject plus be plus not plus going to plus verb 1 and plus object. To make question simple future tense using the formula will plus subject plus verb 1 or be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1. And now I will tell you about future using simple future tense. My family and my friend always ask me about the future. My parents always ask what do I want be this in the future. I was at loss to answer right. Finally, I told them that when I graduate from college, I want to be a psychologist. I want to help many people when he does not have friends to share problem. I want to help and listen to problem of friends who need it. After hearing what I said, my mother always smiled and said, "Hope everything you expect and want will become reality in the future." I thank my mother for praying for me. If conditional. Conditional sentences are also known as conditional clauses or if clauses. They are used to express that the action in the main clause without if can only take place if a certain condition. In the clause with if fulfilled, there are three of conditional sentence. Conditional sentence type 2. It is possible but very unlikely that the conditional will be fulfilled. Form if plus simple past, conditional 1. Would plus infinitive. Example, if I found her address, I would send her an invitation. Conditional sentence type 3. It is impossible that the condition will be fulfilled because it refers to the past. Form if plus past perfect, conditional 2. Would plus have plus past particle. If I had found her address, I would have sent her an invitation. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there is a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.